Okay, well, Deutsche Bank is not an American bank, it's a German bank. This is one of the banks, though, that played a major role in the economic meltdown in 2008. They, along with Goldman Sachs, played a role by basically issuing high-risk, I have to look at this, high-risk mortgage, supposedly mortgage-backed securities. When the government guaranteed, the U.S. government guaranteed 90% of housing loans would be insured and backed. Deutsche Bank was one of the banks that took out a lot of, or approved a lot of loans to people that they knew would not be able to pay it back. And they took advantage of this because they felt that it was a win-win situation because the U.S. government would back those loans. They also took a significant hit in terms of their own, bottom line, in terms of their own assets. They lost about $1.6 billion in that scheme. So, as much as they were in the wrong for the economic collapse and the blame for it, they also hurt themselves in that process. But they are also a key player in the meltdown of 2008. We can't really say that this is one of the two, it's not listed as one of the too big to fail banks, but they, like a lot of banks and financial institutions of Occupy Wall Street, sought to take advantage of the American people, sought to take advantage of the U.S. government, and played, again, a key role in the economic meltdown of 2008. And they're now still paying a price in that. They've also laid off several people in the process. But no one has been convicted in terms of individually from this bank, which is a travesty. 3 years after the meltdown in 2008, a U.S. Senate investigation found that they had recklessly pushed worthless mortgage-backed securities to investors. And basically, this investigation also found that Deutsche Bank was rife with corruption and greed, even to the point where they hurt their own business, where they hurt their own bottom line. So, study of Deutsche Bank is very, very important. And now we have security coming. So, do you want to get that? Yeah. Yes.